So guys, I'm discussing about that how we can promoting Instagram post and videos from Facebook page. Their promotion will be two types: free promotion and paid promotions. First, I'm showing for free and paid option. So select this post. In this, right click, copy link to option. Select your page option. Here will automatic page will display here. In this, after display, you're writing for content. You can start your promoting for your post option. They're showing you your Instagram will be here. Suppose publish it. After publishing one, you can check this option will be here. Just a few seconds, they will show the particular display will be showing your Facebook page option. Second thing is they show one of the option name is called boost and Instagram post. Is completely paid one. Select this option. And one more question, guys. Some people asking one question. So this option will be not showing for my Facebook option. Compulsory your Facebook page connecting for Instagram compulsory mandatory. Where Facebook page setting option. In this go to option name is called Instagram. Compulsory your Facebook page will connect with the Instagram compulsory mandatory. After that, go back. These are the formulas compulsory we can follow to promote the Instagram post or videos for free or paid option. In this here, so it is not visible here. Promote this option. In this, we have option name is called boost and Instagram post. We have two things are there. Select here, here, select this option. Here, choose your target. First, edit. What are the target you have? Select the target will be here. This target will be previous campaign wise. The target will be selected. Everything is okay. Click for save option. Finally, coming to this one, we are selecting for campaign budget here. 3 days. Here, minimum the budget will be start for 76 rupees, and they showing for desktop views, mobile news feed, Instagram, Instagram stories, and Facebook. And here, the Instagram will be showing for two option: Instagram, Instagram stories. Along with will promoting for Facebook also. Both will be promoting for Facebook option and Instagram option. If you are promoting video time, they give the two additional feature will be there. That is called in-stream video ads desktop for mobile also. Suppose promoting for images here, only image, only three option: desktop feed, mobile feed, and Instagram. Only video will be promoting for Instagram stories option, but image will be only for Instagram. They're showing which one? Sponsored. Click for learn more option. So this is called creating for particular ad for to promoting for Instagram image or video through Facebook page. One is a free version, second will be paid option.